always say there are two sides to every story, but sometimes there are three sides, and this one, you really need to listen to this carefully and then take a decision yourself. Contractors in Maharashtra are on the streets protesting. Why? Because the government owes them over 90,000 crores. Yes, you heard that right. 90,000 crore rupees are pending. These are the very contractors who build the roads that you drive on, the bridges you cross, the infrastructure that keeps the state moving forward. The government wants everything done on priority, on their own time, on their own deadlines. But what about the time when it comes for payment? There is silence, there is delay, and there are excuses. Payments have been stuck for months, actually not just for months, they have been stuck for years now. And now the most obvious question, if the state does not have money to pay to those who are literally building Maharashtra, where is the money actually going? Many are pointing towards schemes like Ladki Bahin Yojana and other populist promises, policies that grab headlines, fetch votes, but bleed the state's finances dry. Is this what progress looks like? Grand announcements and ribbon cuttings are all for the cameras, while people who actually get the job done are forced to take on the streets. How can a government demand efficiency and speed from its workers when it fails to honor its own commitments? We also spoke to a few contractors who are currently at RBI protesting. Let's get to know what they have to say about it.
पिछले 1.5 साल से जब से इलेक्शन कंप्लीट हुए हैं उसके बाद से इलेक्शन के पहले से हम लोगों को पेमेंट 5% 7% मिले जा रहा है और पिछले 1 साल से तो पेमेंट हमको सिर्फ 3% से 4% मिला हुआ है। सिर्फ पीडब्ल्यूडी, पानी पुरवठा, जिला परिषद, इरिगेशन, इनको ही, बाकी नेशनल हाईवेज को, मेट्रोस को, महारेल को, इनको सबको पेमेंट मंथली बेसिस पे दिया जा रहा है क्योंकि उनके इसमें क्लॉज है टेंडर में इंटरेस्ट का। और सिर्फ हमारे साथ ही ऐसा किया जा रहा है क्योंकि हम लोगों ने टाइम पे काम कंप्लीट किए, हमारे भरोसे ये सरकार चुन के आई है क्योंकि इतने हमने लोगों ने काम टाइम पे किए हैं, उनके भूमि पूजन किए, टेंडर में पार्टिसिपेट लेके टेंडर्स हमको मिले हैं, अवार्डेड हुए हैं। तो हमारे को आज इतनी गंदी हालत हो गई कि आज हमको भीख मांगना पड़ रहा है आरबीआई चौक पे आके। तो हमारा यही सरकार से सिर्फ निवेदन है कि हमारे को जल्द से जल्द कम से कम मिनिमम 70 to 75% पेमेंट रिलीज किया जाए।
तो क्या आप लोगों ने अपनी मांग गवर्नमेंट के सामने रखी, उनका क्या रिस्पॉन्स आया, क्या हुआ?
रिस्पॉन्स ये है, हाँ करते हैं, देते हैं, करते हैं। कलेक्टर के पास गए, हम लोग अपने चीफ इंजीनियर के पास गए, एससी सुपरिटेंडेंट के पास गए, देवा भाऊ के पास लेटर दिए, हर जगह पूरे महाराष्ट्र में लेटर। और ये सिर्फ नागपुर में ही नहीं, विदर्भ में नहीं, पूरा ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र में ये सिचुएशन है।
So you know, when those payments don't come, it's not just the contractors who suffer, it's the laborers as well, the small suppliers as well, the truck drivers as well, and the entire chain collapses in just one moment. So the main question over here is that if the money isn't going to people who are building the state, who is it exactly and where is it exactly going to? And why are we tolerating it? What do you have to say about this? Let me know in the comments below. This is Drishti Sharma for the Lokmat Times.